In this video, I'm going to show you how to work with SIMnet project. So once you log into SIMnet, and make sure that you click on all, so that will show all the projects and perhaps other assignments that include overdue ones, or that the due date is coming up soon, or the ones that you have already submitted. So make sure that you click on all, and then come down here. You may click on show all, so that'll show not only projects but also sim books, the chapters. So let me just go ahead and click on projects, so it'll show only projects. So in general, you will have 2 projects per chapter. So for Word chapter 1, you have 2 projects. Right now you see that project, the Word 2013 Skills Approach Chapter 1, Challenge Yourself 1.3. I'm sorry about this lengthy title. However, I just wanted to point out this message. It says overdue. In general, again, the assignments are due by the Saturday of the week, so before Sunday. So I do want you to have a break before you start the next chapters on Monday. So they will show, the following chapter assignments will show on Monday. Okay, so let me go ahead and click on the first one, project here. Go ahead and click on it, and then it shows a message about the basics of this SIMnet project. I do need you to, actually they require to read and understand it. So go ahead and click on download SIMnet best practices. It will save you time and also improve your grades by following these instructions. So once you download it, you'll see probably in your downloads folder, and then this is a PDF file. So go ahead and read this. It's just about 2 short page long instructions. So such as always use the files that you downloaded. Don't create a new one unless you are asked to. And it changes the file names and so on. And do not copy and paste, because that will definitely be detected by the system and will give you a warning, and it'll give me the warning as well. So you'll have to explain why it happened and that sort of things. Anyway, so there are some important information that you need to follow, and once you download it, and then you will work with them, follow the instructions, and then eventually you will upload those files. Okay, so let's come back here. You download it. Okay, let me just repeat it and download it. And then once you read it, go ahead and click on yes, I acknowledge that I have read the best practices guide. So go ahead and click on it, and then you'll be able to download the data files and instructions, and then it tells you save the files and then submit it. Okay. In each SIMnet project, you have 3 main steps. First, download all the required files, such as instruction and the start file, and also you may download the solution file. So obviously the instruction files includes instruction about how and what you need to do for the project, and the start file is the one that you start working with. So for example, in Word chapter 1, you will have 1 Word file that you will be working on along with the instructions. So you must use that file, otherwise you will not get any credit. The best practice is the one that you already have downloaded and read. It talks about how you can, the basic rules of a SIMnet project and how you will upload and download the assignments and so on, and also what browser that you should use. And then solution is actually a PDF version of a solution. It's not, for example, Word document, but it shows you what the final answer, the finished project should look like, so you can compare that. So I'll just go ahead and click on download files. So, and it shows you can download the instructions and download the start files, and click on download instruction file. By the way, by now you should have all your pop-up window blocker that is allowing SIMnet to show these pop-up windows. So if you don't have these messages showing up, make sure that you look up, somewhere near the top of your browser that there should be some kind of message saying that the pop-up window is blocked or something, so that you can change that option. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and click on download instruction file, and then I have option for solution file as well, so click that, and then let me take a look at my download folder. So here I have this, let's see, instructions. So this is in PDF format, and here's a solution. So you will see the solution sample in the back. So that's just kind of a stamp showing that this is not the one that you should submit. And that is the file that you will be starting the assignment. Notice that it has a specific name, the file name, so do not change the file name unless I asked you to do that, or unless the instruction tells you to change. But most of the time you will never change the file name. If you do, it will cause grading problem. So let's see. So once you download, so go ahead and click on next here, and then go ahead and click on close. So we are done with the first step, and the second step is actually working on the assignment and then upload back to SIMnet. So when you upload, you have two options. One is just upload to just save it. And so then you can continue on by re-downloading the one that you uploaded and just continue to work on the project and then resubmit it by re-uploading. And once you do that, either first time or second time, you go ahead and click on grade my project. Then it'll give you, immediate feedback in terms of what did right and what went wrong and so on. And then down here, well, your submission will be reported here. So in general, you have 2 attempts. So you can download and work on it and upload it and then grade it, get it graded. And then based on the feedback, you may re-upload for a better grade. So usually you get 2 attempts, but for first week or so, I added additional attempts so that you can get the best possible grade. So let's continue on how to work with the actual project. So go back to Windows Explorer and I'm going to open, let's see, instruction, and it says, okay, it's going to be covering zooming a document, entering and deleting text, and so on. So first step is opening the downloaded file. So that's the file that it's downloaded. So let me just go ahead and open it by double clicking on it. And when you first open a data file, so you may need to click on the enable editing. So right now this is a protected, so click on enable editing button, and then you don't have to do that anymore. So this is the data files, and then you follow the instruction in the PDF file. So it'll say, change the view, type this and delete this, and that sort of kind of things. So let me just pause for a second and follow these instructions, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I did some instructions, not completely, but some, to give it an idea. So let's say I'm done. I did my best, and I think let's say I did everything I could. Go ahead and save it. Make sure that you save it, and close the window for the document, or close the Word document, and then come back here and go ahead and click on upload and save. So click on it. So where it's basically, you need to tell the computer where the file is. So it's in the downloads folder, and click that. Okay, let me make it a little bit smaller so you can see it better. So select a file, and then go ahead and click on the open button, and it's uploading. Okay, now you have two choices. If you want to resume later, you go ahead and click on no, I'm not ready to submit. Or if you think you're done, you did everything you could possibly have done, go ahead and click on submit. Yes, submit the file. So I'm going to go ahead and click on submit the file, and it's grading, it's preparing the result. It's almost instantaneous. All right, so we have it. So I have some correct, partial incorrect. So you'll see something went wrong or incomplete. So this is what I submitted. So you can point at it, and it tells you what happened. And I point at it, for example, here. It tells what happened here. So what you did right, and what I did right, and what I did wrong, and so on. So that's basically it. And let me just go down here. I'm sorry, go up here, and you can download the files that you submitted, and solution files, and so on. So let me go ahead and click on the link back to the project window. So click on it, and here it is. It shows the file that I uploaded, and it shows the score and the timestamp and so on. So right now I have 2 more attempts to submit and get graded. So that's basically it, and then it should show up in my grades. So click here. There it is, 22%. She's not that impressive, and I'm sure I could come back. I could go back and then improve it. Okay.